Guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. So today I'm in my grandma's home and I'm in their garden right now. I'm gonna make a tour of our garden. Yeah, so today I'm gonna make a tour of our garden. So here first we have a coconut tree, and you can see this is a mango tree. It's a bit big one, but still there are no mangoes for this tree. You see, if you plant a mango, it comes out to be this small. It comes like this, you can see. And let's go to the next one. Here we have another coconut tree. We have another coconut tree. They are all small trees. Then we have one more tree. There are totally 3 coconut trees over here. Then you have lady's finger trees all in this row. You can see this. Yeah, see, these are the lady's fingers. You can even see the flowers. And then you can see all of these are lady's fingers. Yeah, see. From that line to here, all of these are lady's fingers. And even here there are lady finger trees. You can see there are so many of them. And guys, I literally forgot about this tree. Yes, this is a sour leaf tree. In Telugu they call it gongora. Yes, they call it gongora. If you know what they call it in English, please tell me in the comments below. And these are all the same trees. And then if you go this side, you have jujube trees. Yeah, even I like jujubes, guys. Comment if you like jujubes. You see, this is a big tree. Yeah, this is a really big tree. And then if you go forward, and here it is a jerkin tree. You see, it's still ripe. Yeah, it is still ripe. And you can see this jerkin tree. You can go inside. Look at this. This is so big. And then one more jujube tree. I guess it's the same tree. This is really very big. And then we even have a sweet orange tree and a guava tree too. Yes. Yeah, guys, so here we get the sweet orange. You can see the sweet orange here. Like, it's still small, so we don't get oranges now, so we have to wait for some more years. After it becomes big, we'll get some fruits. Here, like, actually there were a lot of caterpillars. You can see all the leaves are eaten. You can see these, guys. See, all the leaves are eaten, so it's not, I don't know whether we'll get fruits from this or not. And then let's go to the next tree. So guys, here in the middle of this jerkin tree, there's a bitter gourd tree. You can see. Yeah, this is like I don't know if it's ripe or something. But see, you can see this is a bitter gourd tree. It looks like this. And then guys, we have brinjal right here. You can see. Yes, these are brinjal. You can see the buds. They come out into flowers, and then the brinjal comes. Yeah, and then let's go forward and see what else we have. Yeah, guys, we have a guava tree over here. You can see it's a small one. Yeah, you can see there's a small guava over here. It should become a bit big. The tree should become big so that we get guava. Then next, what do we have? Yeah, we have a sandalwood tree. Just a minute. Yeah, so guys, you can see this is the sandalwood tree. You can see down. This is the sandalwood tree. It looks like this. We planted it, I guess, 1 year ago. Yes, I guess 1 year or 6 months has been over since we planted this tree. Then there's one more small tree. I'll be showing you guys. Yeah, where is it? Yes. Yeah, here we have an orange tree, guys. You can see, like, the last one I showed you was no. Yes, this is an orange tree. I even have a sweet orange tree. I will be showing it. So guys, you can you guess what is this? If you're right, yes, this is a star fruit plant. You get star fruits from this. Whoever likes this, please comment. And this is the small sandalwood tree. You can see this. It's really thin and it's small, but after some years it will grow really big. Then we have some more. I'll be showing you. Just a minute, guys. I'm back. So guys, here we have a small and cute Christmas tree. You can see this. And let's go forward. You have more and many trees in our garden. Yeah, guys, so we have a guava tree. This is a big one. It was planted some 5 or 6 years ago. You can see how big this tree is, guys. You can see I climbed it many times. You can see this, guys. So guys, you can see a small honeybee hive. Guys, you can see there are like So many honeybees, guys. So we even kept a bucket so that it won't fall. And guys, you can see this is a big custard apple tree. We have two of them. I'll be showing it in the last, the other one, because there are many fruits for that. Here you can see this, guy. This is a really big one. Let's go forward, but carefully. So guys, you can see this. I can't go more forward than this. I guess they'll see this, guys. See this. So guys, here we have a date tree. This is a male one. So basically we don't get dates from this, but we still grow it because it's been there for so many years. You can see these roots are really big, and you don't even need water for these. Yeah. And next, if you go on top here, here we have grape trees. I'll show them properly. Yes, you can see here we have grape trees. Yeah guys, see here from top. And then we have an amla tree. You can see we have an amla tree. We got amlas, but we just cut them off, and so currently we don't have. If they grow, I'll make another video and show you guys. And then after that we have a big neem tree. You can see this, how big this neem tree is. It was there from more than 10 or 15 years, guys. You can see how big this is. Yes, I've climbed this many times. Yeah guys, this is a really big tree. And the last but not the least, we have the biggest custard apple tree over here. You can see we even have custard apples for this. Yeah, you can see we have custard apples for this even on top. You can see guys, it looks like this. It's a big tree. It was planted many years ago. You can see this. Yeah guys, and here we have a mango tree. This is bigger than the other one, I guess. I don't know. I guess both of them are same. Yes, you can see this, guys. We don't even have mango still. We have to wait for some more years. I guess they will get mangoes in summer. I'll make a video about that also. And guys, this is the root of the grapes plant. You can see it's like this. We just watered these plants now, so I just thought of taking videos about this. You can see guys, these grape plants, the roots look somewhat like that. Yeah, and you can see still we don't have grapes. I don't know why we didn't get any grapes now, but I guess we will get grapes in the future. And yes guys, and this is the custard apple tree again. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.